Hello trail travelers, it's Kerry, and today we're going to continue with some of our maintenance series. And today on our 3.6 liter engine, we're going to replace the air filter. So we've done the oil change, we've shown you how to do the cabin air filter, but today it's the engine air filter. So stay right there, we'll be right back. Well, about the only thing that's easier than changing the engine air filter is the cabin air filter, because you don't even need tools for that. For here, we do need one tool, and what we need is an 8mm socket. And we're just going to pull the screws from around the air filter housing and be able to get right to it. So we're just going to start taking these screws out. I like a small wrench for this, 8mm socket with an extension. Makes it pretty easy, but you'll see these screws are actually pretty long. And fortunately, they almost always fall all the way through. So that's pretty handy when you drop them all the time. Now, I don't know about other people, but with these, I do tend to drop them in the engine bay all the time. So, a little trick I have is put a little piece of electrical tape over the socket head. And I do this when I'm reinstalling them too. And the reason being, it'll stick right in there. So, very handy. So, neat little trick there. Hopefully that helps somebody. So next, I'm going to loosen up the ring around here so I can slide the intake off. Okay, with the 4 bolts out, all we need to do is lift up on it, grab the old air filter out, there we go, and well, it's not too bad, but definitely worth changing out because we're getting ready to make a big trip to Ouray. And let's see if we can see the difference. Well, I can see through that one. What I can't see through that one, even pointing it directly at the sun. So definitely a little clogged up there. All right. Now I had loosened up this ring, so sometimes this will pop off nice and easy, but we'll go ahead and slide that back in, put it back in place, and tighten everything back down. Now we are going to grab a fresh piece of electrical tape to put over our socket head, or our socket. That way, when we push the screws in to it, it'll hold them in place while we get them lined up with those holes. And that's really all there is to it to replace the air filter on the Jeep JL 3.6. So hopefully this is going to help you do some of your own maintenance and save some money. So thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Kerry with Trail Traveler. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the trail. Bye-bye.